Okay, magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ang kaibigan ni Tatay Digong, Donald Trump, nagpapasalamat na sa kanyang mga supporters sa kanyang pagkapanalo as the 47th President of the United States of America. Ito, pakinggan natin si President Donald Trump.
Frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country, and maybe beyond. And now it's going to reach a new level of importance because we're going to help our country heal. Help our country heal. We have a country that needs help, and it needs help very badly. We're going to fix our borders. We're going to fix everything about our country. And we made history for a reason tonight, and the reason is going to be just that. We overcame obstacles that nobody thought possible, and it is now clear that we've achieved the most incredible political thing. Look what happened. Is this crazy? But it's a political victory that our country has never seen before. Nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. And every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and your future. Every single day I will be fighting for you with every breath in my body. I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America that our children deserve and that you deserve. This will truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to do. This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again. And in addition to having won the battleground states of North Carolina, I love these places, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin, we are now winning in Michigan, Arizona, Nevada, and Alaska, which would result in us carrying at least 315 electoral votes. But it's much easier doing what the networks did or whoever called it, because there was no other path. There was no other path to victory. We also have won the popular vote. That was great. Thank you. Thank you very much. Winning the popular vote was very nice, I will tell you. A great feeling of love. We have a great feeling of love in this very large room with unbelievable people standing by my side. These people have been incredible. They've made the journey with me, and we're going to make you very happy. We're going to make you very proud of your vote. I hope that you're going to be looking back someday and say that was one of the truly important moments of my life when I voted for this group of people beyond the president, this group of great people. America has given us an unprecedented and powerful mandate. We have taken back control of the Senate. Wow, that's good. The Senate races in Montana, Nevada, Texas, Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, the great Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, were all won by the MAGA movement. They helped so much. And in those cases, every one of them, we worked with the senators. They were tough races, and I mean, the number of victories in the Senate was absolutely incredible. And we did tele-rallies. We did tele-rallies with each one of them. And sometimes we did 2 or 3 and it was amazing to look at all of those victories. Nobody expected that. Nobody. So I just wanted to thank you very much for that. And you have some great senators and some great new senators. And it also looks like we'll be keeping control of the House of Representatives. And I want to thank Mike Johnson. I think he's doing a terrific job. Terrific job. I want to also thank my beautiful wife, Melania, First Lady. Who has the #1 best-selling book in the country. Can you believe it? No, she's done a great job. Works very hard to help people. So I just want to thank her. But I want to thank my whole family, my amazing children, and they are amazing children. And we all think our children, everybody here thinks their children are amazing. But that's a good thing when you think they are. But Don, Eric, Ivanka, Tiffany, Barron, Laura, Jared, Kimberly, Michael, thank you all. What a help. My father-in-law, Victor, is tremendous, and we miss very much Melania's mother, Amalia. We miss Amalia, don't we, huh? She would be very happy right now, standing on this stage. She'd be so proud.
Okay, so talagang it's final, ano? Panalo na ang Republicans sa US election. From the President to the Senate to Congress, they controlled. Kanila na. No? So, maganda yan dahil dati ata ang Senado, mas marami ang Democrats. Sa Congress, mas marami ang Republicans. Ngayon, both houses, mas marami. So, magiging malakas na presidente itong si Trump dahil sa suporta ng mga Republicans. Majority, mas marami ang Republicans sa lower house at saka sa upper house. So, alam nyo, grabe ang persecution na ginawa ng Biden government kay Trump. Kaliwat kanan ang kaso nga gisampa. The same thing ang nangyari dito ngayon sa Pilipinas. Kaliwat kanan ang panggigipit ng Marcos Jr. administration dito ngayon sa Duterte. So, sana yung nangyari sa Amerika, kahit anong panggigipit nila kay Trump, nakabalik pa rin. Kaya goodbye Biden, goodbye Kamala Harris. Yung mga nag-file ng kaso, mga prosecutors kay Trump, humanda kayo. So sana pagdating ng panahon, by 2028, kahit ginigipit nila ang Duterte, sana makabalik din sila by 2028. Kung ano ang nangyari sa Amerika, mangyayari din dito sa Pilipinas. Another Duterte will sit in Malacanang by 2028. Pwede ba yun? And then, nung presidente pa si Trump, ilang beses niyang in-invite yung kaibigan niya si Tatay Digong na magbisita sa Amerika. Kaya lang, hindi nagpunta ang Tatay Digong doon. Ano kaya ngayon? Pag upo ni President Trump, instead na imbitahan si Marcos Jr., si Tatay Digong ang imbitahan niya. Diyan sila mapapahiya ng husto kasi parehas sila ng leadership trait, yung style medyo orthodox, kakaiba, kaya same feather flocks together. Style Digong, style Trump, parehas na matigas, astig, kaya nagkakaibigan. Biden and Marcos Jr. parehas din. Parehas na malamya. Kaya, God bless America. God bless Donald Trump. God bless the Philippines. God bless Duterte family.